Hello guys, how's it going? In this video I will be talking about the replace string method in Python. So the replace method replaces a specified phrase with another specified phrase. So this is how the syntax looks like. As we can see, we have three parameters. The first two are required, where the first one is the string that we search for or the string that we want to replace. And the second required parameter is the string that we want to replace with an old value. And lastly, we have a count, which is an optional parameter, and it is an integer which specifies how many occurrences of the old value we want to replace. By default, this is -1 or all occurrences. So the method will return a copy of string with all occurrences of substring replaced by the phrase we specified. If the optional argument count is given, only the first count occurrences are replaced. Okay, so let's look at some examples. Now let's imagine that we have a string and we want to replace all the spaces with the underscores. So we can do it simply like this. And similarly, if we would want to remove all the spaces from the string, we can simply do it like this. Or let's say that we want to replace all the O's with an E's, and we can do it like so. Okay, in the second example, let's say we have a comma separated file and we have a one row from it, and we want to replace all the commas with the pipe symbol, and we could do it like so. Similarly, if we would want to replace only the first character, we can specify the count parameter, and this would replace only the first character from the string. And if we would want to replace none, we can just specify 0, or if we would want to specify all of them, we can just set it to -1, which is basically equivalent to not specifying at all. Right, so this is the replace method, and that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching.